Honda CB1100EX Best Motorcycle Review. Honda's Retro CB receives a few small, but significant, refinements for 2017. If the sun is out and you want a carefree ride on a great-looking retro, there aren't many better options than the CB1100EX. It's Honda at its very best and has a feeling of quality and refinement about it, as well as a welcome bit of old-school rawness and charm. The Honda CB1100EX was dropped from Honda's range when Euro 5 regulations came into effect in 2021. Ride quality and brakes. The EX is all about smooth motoring, and the new conventional Showa dual bending valve forks are set quite softly, which those aiming on hammering around bends may not appreciate. However, if you are after a relaxed ride, they are wonderfully damped and help the bike glide over bumps with ease. Engine. The air-cooled 1,140 cubic centimeters inline 4 is a beauty and is typically smooth and precise in its operation. However, Honda has also engineered in a pleasing degree of old-school rawness, and it pings when it is cooling like CBs of yesteryear, and has a lovely raw sound at low revs thanks to altered valve timing between the cylinders. Reliability and build quality. Honda doesn't build a poor quality machine, and the EX has the usual lovely level of detail. Everything has been thought about, refined, and then thought about again as it is developed over the years into this latest generation. It really is beautifully put together and has a real feeling of overall quality. Value versus rivals. A price tag of £10,795 makes the RX more expensive than the £9,800 Triumph Bonneville models, which are a higher spec, the £9,990 BMW R9T Pure and the £8,395 Ducati Scrambler Classic. In this context, it does look a little overpriced considering what you are getting. Equipment. The lack of adjustability on the suspension is a bit disappointing. You only get spring preload front and back to play with, but the motor has a slipper clutch as standard, and there is also ABS. But this is a retro, and the CB is all about the neat styling touches, and on this front it really is impressive. What it lacks in traction control and varying fuel modes, it makes up for in the fine details.